Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be making a hair support spray that is commonly called Mermaid Hair. It's just good for supporting your hair in general with moisture and possibly even some hair growth. I've heard wonderful things about it, so I want to try it. Um, we've got lavender, cedarwood, and rosemary. Now, because myself and my girls have curly hair, I will be adding the lavender conditioner to make sure the oils mix in with the water. But if you don't want to use the conditioner, you could also use instead witch hazel. But I want the conditioner, so that's what I'll be using today. Um, this recipe was originally for a 4-ounce bottle. I have a 16, but I'll only be doubling the recipe. So it'll be a 8-ounce. So that's why I've got my cup of water here. So I will be using 20 drops of each oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, lavender is included in the premium starter kit, which is how I got started, and I have no idea how many drops I've done. We'll call it right about there. It's not an exact science, and all of these oils can work differently for different people. But lavender is wonderful for sleep and maybe some seasonal issues. So it's a wonderful one to have around, and I love it. It's helped me so much. Now this is cedarwood. Come on. So like I said, about 20 drops. This one's gonna take a while. I would honestly, I love these oils. They're all natural from the seed, even before the seed, the soil itself. No contamination whatsoever. Not and these oils are pure from seed to seal, so they are the best quality from, like I said, seed to seal. And I have found that the best way to get these is from being on Essential Rewards. There are wonderful perks. It's a monthly customizable order that shows up at your doorstep, so you don't have to go out and go shopping, and you know they are pure. Cedarwood is also good for skin, but I find that at night, for me, it is a good oil for helping calm my brain down, like when it's racing with new ideas or just focusing on something else instead of going to sleep. This is rosemary. My dad actually loves this one for sleep. He's got it in a little sample bottle, and he just rolls it right beneath his nose before he goes to sleep. And it works really well for him. I actually just refilled his bottle last night. I think that was enough. I don't know. I lost count. And then I'm just going to be adding a little bit of this conditioner. Now it is super thick, which is why most people will dilute it, and that means you get more for your buck. It's super thick, but so it doesn't take much. Now I've got all my ingredients in, so now I'm just gonna top it off with the water. Try not to make a mess. There we go. Now, I know I was talking about Essential Rewards earlier. I should be actually getting my order in the next couple of days, so come back and check that out. Always enjoy opening those boxes. So there it is. I probably shook that too violently, but it'll settle out. And that is my Mermaid Hair spray. Now I'll be spraying this up along my roots. No, let's just do it. Let's charge the thing first. There we go. Just right up in the roots. And then just work it in. Essential Rewards is wonderful. I love it. It's like Christmas every month with things that are good for me, my family. They help support your body, your emotions. We love it. My girls look forward to it as much as I do. It's about $50 to keep it up. You can cancel at any time, no penalties. So sign up, start switching out your products, and I will talk to you guys later. Feel free to message me with any questions, all right? I'll do my best to help you out. Bye.